Hi, I am Shri. For the past couple of years, I have been working on a product. This is KiteBoard. It's a standalone board with which you can quickly make devices that are mobile. But you would ask me, why another developer board in a market where there are so many different developer boards with so many options already available? Well, nowadays there is a smartphone in everyone's pocket, but as developers we have a problem. We can't really tinker around much with the hardware. It is predicted that by 2020 there will be 18 to 50 billion connected devices online. A large chunk of these devices will be using short-range wireless systems such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for their connectivity, but cellular is expected to play a major role. That is why Kite. It has all features that many boards provide, but in addition, it has integrated cellular capability. This places Kite distinctly away from all the other boards. What this means is that you have a direct high-speed connection to the internet, no matter where you are. More importantly, Kite works on lithium polymer batteries and doesn't get hot. So, indoors or outdoors, we got you covered. But that's not all. I am a developer too. I understand the struggle that developers go through while building their device prototypes. So, we built a kit of value-added components, some of which are not available to the maker community. This includes an amazing 5-inch 720p touch display, an 8-megapixel camera module with autofocus, antennas for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS and cellular connectivity, flex cables for positioning these wherever you want, an expansion board that supports Raspberry Pi, hats and p-hats, and finally earpiece, microphone and a speaker. Now the question is, what can you make with it? With built-in Android and flexibility in every dimension, I can easily put together all the peripherals and make an operable phone in under 5 minutes. The possibilities with Kite are immense. In fact, I can't even imagine what my user community will make out of this. For the past 2 years, we have been working really hard to get this into your hands. And right now, we are really close. Key components like the display and the camera are not available in small quantities. For our first manufacturing run, we need an initial order of at least 3,000 pieces. Plus, the board needs to pass through an expensive certification process. For all this to happen, we need your help. Huh? Okay.